Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today we got a new product on the table, an Amazon packaging. So let's pop this box open. Get these sides real quick. You know, you gotta have a knife for these kind of stuff. Safety first. Okay. By the looks of it, you can already tell what this is. You know, you got the Echo Show 8 in this plastic covering. Let's take it off. See what we're dealing with inside. Obviously, very nice box. First of all, we gotta say that out loud. And you know, Alexa's happy to help. So, if you need help, Alexa's happy to do it. Specs here. It's got a 8-inch HD screen, camera with built-in shutter, stereo speakers, 3.5mm line out. It's Bluetooth, far field voice control, can pick up your voice from a far distance, and microphone and camera, and an on and off button. It's also compatible with thousands of skills and services such as Amazon Music, Apple Music, Spotify, Prime Video, Ring, and Hue, you know, security, doorbells, that kind of stuff. And see the specialness. Oh, I don't even need a knife for this one. Just realized that. Okay. Boom. Boom. I mean, this is just pop, but look at this. They're happy. They're there at the doorbell ring. You know, shouting out to them. Oh man, there you go. There it is. Look at that. You know, little smile, Amazon logo. Other contents of the box include a, let's see, little helpful tip for you to use. Try things with your Echo 8. Shows you how to set it up. Obviously, it looks like a very simple setup in the manual here. It also has the power adapter inside. Looks like it's a 30-watt power adapter. You know, very good for sustaining power to this Echo Show, which can be very powerful for its size. Keep opening the box. Got some more stuff in here. Still more plastic covering. I don't know when they're gonna. There's so much plastic covering. But that's when you know they're serious. You can see it has the camera module right there. Other things on it, such as the volume up, volume down, and the on and off switch. Oh no, we'll see. So, we try to power it up here. It looks like it has the slots here as long as within. Is that a headphone jack? A micro USB port and the power port. Opened. Continue. It's very sharp and responsive feeling look design here. So other specs about it is it has a 8-inch screen. The resolution of the screen is 1280 by 800. It has a 1 megapixel front facing camera. It's got 10-watt speakers in this back here. Very powerful. You got the white one here. There's another one. They have a black one. Okay, so we got some nature here. Timing, temperature, you know, 88 degrees here in Florida. You know, it's kind of hot. It gets hot. We got that nature scenes right here. Looks like you can slide down. You can create shortcuts. Change the brightness on the display, turn on do not disturb, home button. There's different settings you can do, Bluetooth devices, display, wallpaper, sounds, other objects you want to other devices you want to control with your Echo Show. This is the home page. So this is where you get all your connectivity. Alexa, play some music.
Sure, here's a
work.
custom mix just for you.
Obviously, it'll play music. Alexa, pause. What makes it different from all the other Alexas is that it has a screen. And the screen is very nice, fast, responsive. Got the 1 megapixel camera module up front. Very good stereo speakers in the back. Packed very powerfully. Size that the Echo Show 8 is, it gives you very good power and quality. So obviously we know it has a screen, but what you really use this for is to speak. It's meant for voice communication and talking to it, communicating with objects. Is that where we're going? I don't know. Do you know? I literally don't know. Let's talk about pricing. Pricing is $100, but are you getting your money's worth within this device? Well, in itself, it's very good. It's a good package, good pricing for the amount of power that's packed into the device. But then you spend all the excess money. If you want a smart home kind of thing, you got to spend extra money to buy different components that allow smart control from your Echo Show. So yes, it's a good price, but you do know if you want a smart home, you're gonna have to make a bigger investment. You can do different stuff like watch TV, watch your favorite shows, podcasts, audiobooks, a lot of things you can do just by voice communication. It's an easy setup. Just plug it in, connect it to your Wi-Fi, connect it to your Amazon account. And it's a good size, portable. You can take it with you. It's not like huge. It doesn't take up a lot of space. It also comes with some good camera functionality. Some of the things it lacks could be bad, like lacks YouTube support, no full screen clock option. You only got this digi clock in the top left corner. You can't switch off the on-screen Alexa suggestions that it might give you. The Echo Show 8 by Amazon, new product, powerful, great fit for its size, and a great package.